In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on QuickBooks Online. This is a quick and straightforward process that will help you adjust your viewing preferences for a more comfortable experience with the platform. Let's dive right into it and walk through the steps together. To begin, you'll want to head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Make sure you're using a browser that supports QuickBooks. For this demonstration, I'll be using Google Chrome. It's important to use a compatible browser to ensure all features and functionalities work smoothly. Once you're logged in, it's time to adjust the zoom settings. Often, QuickBooks interfaces can appear too large on certain screens, and making these adjustments can greatly enhance your usability on the platform. While on the QuickBooks dashboard, direct your attention towards the top right corner of your Google Chrome browser. You'll notice 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu for customization and control of Chrome. Click on these 3 dots, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, you'll need to spot the Zoom option. This is where you can change how much of the web content you're currently seeing on your screen. There are several reasons you might want to customize this. Perhaps you want to fit more data on your display, or you're aiming to make the text easier to read by reducing its size. Now, to specifically zoom out, click on the minus icon that's right next to the word Zoom. Each click will start reducing the percentage of the zoom level one step at a time. You should notice the content of your QuickBooks Online page becoming smaller, allowing more information to fit on the screen. Adjust the zoom level to a setting that feels just right for you. It may take a few tries to find the perfect balance. Also, remember that if at any point you wish to zoom back in, you can simply click the plus icon beside the minus icon, and the content will expand accordingly. Once you've found the sweet spot that makes your QuickBooks Online experience seamless and optimal, you're all set. With just a few clicks, you've managed to zoom out successfully on QuickBooks Online. Simple actions like these can significantly enhance your work efficiency and make using QuickBooks an even more enjoyable task. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your QuickBooks Online experience. By adjusting your zoom preferences, you're taking control of your workspace and making it uniquely suited to your needs. Remember, these small adjustments can make a big difference in your day-to-day usage, so don't hesitate to revisit these settings whenever needed. Happy exploring, and I look forward to seeing you in our next guide.